API keys are a way for an application to authenticate itself, as well as to access the API. They're made up of a combination of numbers and letters, and they're typically unique per application. So to create your own keys on Investec Online for your private banking account, we're going to head over to the Investec developer page and click on individual connections. Here you're going to see your client ID and your client secret. Your client ID is just like a username. It's used to identify you. And then your client secret is, you can think of it like a password. It's used to authenticate. You then obviously have your API keys for which you can specify specific permissions. You can generate multiple keys with different permissions. So to go ahead and create our key, we're going to click on Create Key. We're then going to give our key a name under the alias box. You can then specify which accounts you would like the API key to have access to. And then following that, you can then specify which permissions you'd like your API key to have access to. So that depends on the functionality you'd like to enable for that key. And if we go back to our list of keys now, you'll see that our key has been created under our test API key name. And you can now use that together with your client ID and your client secret to use the API and to authenticate. So just a quick note to always keep your client ID and your client secret confidential.